Okay, we're gonna do the clear balloon. So you're gonna receive something like this. For these, we're gonna pre-inflate before you fill with helium so they're more malleable. So you're gonna open it up. And you can use an electric pump or the hand pump, whichever you want. So this one's about 16 inches, if I measure it. Yeah, about 16. So I'm gonna go fill it with helium. All right, I have filled my balloon with helium. So I have a hold on to the neck. So to tie this balloon, you're gonna go ahead and stretch it. You're gonna stretch it, and then you're gonna do a few turns. Now that you have a few turns, then you can tie it like a regular balloon. And then you're gonna pull it tight so no air escapes. One last thing I like to do is I like to fold the little neck up, and then I'm gonna tie it again. With a 260 balloon to prevent any helium from escaping. Then you can tie your ribbon. And there it is. So after this, to apply, I'm just gonna put this really quick. These scissors don't want to work today. To apply the decals on this, you're gonna grab your decal. You're gonna unpeel it. Again, if it doesn't want to peel back, you're gonna go over it with a credit card or a Ouija, whatever you're using, something straight. And then it should peel off. You're gonna look for the center, and I like to apply it in separate parts because if you apply it all together, it's harder to maneuver. You're gonna peel down from the corner slowly. So that's one. We're gonna put the happy birthday, so we're gonna put the birthday on the bottom. And we're gonna center that. Again, go over it just on the clear paper. Do not go over the balloon because you can rip it. You're gonna grab the corner, slowly bring it off, take it off. There's another one. And then I'm gonna put the name. Where did I leave the name? Here it is. All right, you're gonna center it again. Before you put it on, make sure it's centered, because once it's on, it's difficult to take off. Then you're gonna go over it again with your credit card. And this one has a little fabric, so you can, it's softer on the balloon. You're gonna grab a corner and slowly tear it off.